Now to Kolkata, where the residents have been offered a tax waiver if they paint their buildings white and blue. Yes, and this announcement comes after Kolkata's mayor held a council meeting. The opposition now is hitting out at the TMC government in the state, and they're alleging that the government here is trying to find out who really their supporters are.
If Mamata Banerjee has her way, the whole of Kolkata would switch to the blue and white colours of her party.
Definitely, we are urging the people of Kolkata to come forward if they can paint their building with a blue and white theme. So we can waive their property tax. So we are urging the people. We are not imposing.
The BJP smelling a political conspiracy behind Mamata's wish for a blue and white makeover for the city of joy.
इसमें एक साजिश चल रहा है। नीला और सादा रंग करके कौन तृणमूल है और कौन नॉन तृणमूल है, इसको आइडेंटिफिकेशन करने का इन लोगों का एक साजिश है। हम इस विषय से सहमत नहीं हैं और इस विषय को लेकर हम अदालत तक जा सकते हैं।
Already some government buildings, roads and even taxis are flaunting their new colours.
Blue and white could be Kolkata's new colour palette. To get a property tax exemption, one could just paint his property in the favourite chosen hues of the West Bengal Chief Minister, which is blue and white, to get a waiver for the year 2014 and 15. But withdrawing strong criticism from the opposition like the BJP and the CPIM, it remains to be seen whether the scheme would be feasible in the long run.
But there are some who are fiercely opposed to seeing their city in uniform colours.
The entire city is not looking beautiful because of the different colors, because of various colors. They will say, oh, no, rainbow is not beautiful, only blue and white is beautiful. This is also a nonsensical outlook, unethical outlook.
Even the waiver on property tax offered to those who coat their houses blue and white is being questioned.
There is a discrimination in the sense that that person, if he paints in certain color, will get a tax advantage. In terms of basic economics logic, that should be based on some economic principle.
A tax waiver carrot may not be enough to drown Kolkata in Mamata's favourite colours. Bureau Report, Times Now.